To determine if two functions are inverses of each other, we must find the composition. I will find the composition both of f of g of x, and it needs to equal x. Also, the composition g of f of x must also need to equal x. I will start off with the composition f of g of x, and I will do that by taking the function f and taking out the value x and replacing it with g of x, which is 2x plus 4. Now I will use a distributive property and multiply my 1/2 through, giving me 1/2 times 2x and 1/2 times 4. I still have the negative 2 in the back. Combining like terms, I get the composition f of g of x equals x. Now I will take g of x and plug in f of x, giving me g of f of x. So g of x is 2. I'm going to remove the x, and I'm going to replace that with f of x, which is 1/2 x minus 2. Once again, I'm going to use a distributive property to multiply that out, giving me 2 times 1/2 x and 2 times negative 2. Still have the positive 4. When I combine my terms, I end up with x. Because both compositions f of g of x equals x and g of f of x equals x, I can now say that these two functions are inverses of each other.